Arms in lateral position. Both arms are at one side, either sideward, right or left. This may be done at shoulder, chest, or waist level. Brush. Weight on one foot, hit the floor with the ball or heel of the other foot, after which that foot is lifted from the floor to any direction. Brush. Hapay. To flourish or after a handkerchief, hat or glass of wine to somebody as a sign of invitation. Hapay. Hayon-hayon. To place one forearm in front at the other at the back of the waist. This is a Visayas term. Hayon-hayon. Kumintang. Moving the hand from the rest either in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This is an Ilocano term. Kumintang. Pivot. To turn with the ball heel or wall foot on a fixed place or point. Pivot. Salok. Swing the arm downward, upward, passing in front of the body as is scooping. The trunk is bent forward, following the movement of the arm, doing the salok. Point. Touch the floor lightly with the toes of one foot, weight of the body on the other foot. Point. Whirl. To make pass turns by the executing small steps in a place to right to left. Whirl. Sarok. Cross the right or left foot in front of the left or right. Bend the body slightly forward and cross the hands down in front with the right or the left hand. Sarok.